Now over to some space news. NASA's confirming the Parker space probe is alive and well after its first close approach to the sun. Many calling the news groundbreaking. RT's Trinity Chavez joins us now to talk about all of this. Trinity, what can you tell us about the probe?
Well, the agency is calling the approach perihelion, and it's the first of many approaches to come. The spacecraft was about 15 million miles away from the surface of the sun, and while that may seem far away to many, that's actually the closest that any spacecraft has ever gone. The previous record was set by Helios B back in 1976, and now many are saying that this is groundbreaking for future space exploration, because by doing this, NASA has explored and exposed the spacecraft to intense heat and solar radiation in complex solar wind environments. So at this distance, the sunlight heated the side facing the sun about 820 degrees Fahrenheit, and that temperature could climb to about 2,500 degrees as the spacecraft gets closer to the sun. The Parker solar probe also set another record for its speed. It reached over 213,000 miles per hour. But this is only the beginning for the spacecraft, as it'll make 23 even closer approaches over the next 7 years, attempting to break its speed each time. Meanwhile, let's talk about some other planets that lie further away from the sun, like Uranus. Now, after decades of observations and a visit by NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft, the agency has found that one of the key components of its clouds is hydrogen sulfide. This is an extremely unpleasant gas here that most people try to avoid. And to sort of give you some inclination of what it smells like, scientists are comparing it to the smell of rotten eggs. So it's definitely not a pleasant smell, but apparently they found that this gas is on the tops of the planet's clouds, and scientists believe that this gas is also on Neptune's cloud deck. But this is vastly different from the gas on the planets located closer to the sun, like Jupiter and Saturn, where ammonia is observed to be on the clouds, but no sign of hydrogen sulfide. Scientists say that these differences in the atmospheric composition shed light on questions about the planet's formation and its history, like the millimeter and the radio spectrum on the planet. Anya?
Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out our channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have tons of content for you just like this. For more of RT America's one-of-a-kind news and analysis, be sure to subscribe and never stop questioning more.